Hi, I'm Paul, the outdoor movie guy, and I'm going to be unboxing the LivePro L1 multi-format video mixer, which is this guy right here. What the box says, it's a USB video complying with UVC for live streaming. It's a 4-channel HDMI input, has a little display, auto-cut and manual switch T-bar, supports picture-in-picture, 14 transition effects on the T-bar, audio offers embedded or external source to select, supports switch between 6 picture PVW and PGM to HDMI out, and can be controlled by your PC or phone, or of course the device itself. What I'm also very interested in, I'm primarily going to use it for live streaming, but the other thing that this can do is it's Hdcp compliant, and what that means is we can, in theory, attach this to a Blu-ray player. You could have 2 Blu-ray players and then seamlessly switch from one to the other. With Hdcp, with Blu-ray players, they have to have a constant handshake with HDMI, and if you've ever had a video switch where you press the button and it takes a few seconds before it comes in, that can be an issue, especially if it's in a live production environment. So this may be a small, more value priced unit to allow you to look a little bit more seamless for your events. So let's have a look at it. All right. There we go. Seems to be packaged quite nicely, if I can stop hitting the microphone. All right, here's the main device. We'll just do a quick spin around it. This is the main front panel. Nice buttons. There's your T-bar. And it's unusual to see on a device for this price point. This was just over $300 to actually have a LCD screen, a color LCD screen on the site. So let's have a look right there. We have your Ethernet jack for your local area network. We have the USB. It looks like it needs to be USB 3 if you want to do the live streaming. And then you've got your audio in and out. With the USB right there, a lot of devices similar to this and the same type of functionality you'll see use the square USB. It looks like this is going to be the standard USB on both sides. So if you have some other longer cables, they may not work. So I suggest make sure you keep the cable that comes with it. And then on the back we have 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs and 1 output for your HDMI, and where your power goes. Excellent. All right. And we have a little manual right there as well. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's your USB cable. Notice both ends are exactly the same. Seems to be pretty good quality. And then, assuming this is the power. There we go. Okay. So it's a multi-country. We need the one for the USA right here. We'll get rid of that one. And maybe we slide it in like that. Perfect. Oh, this is a nice feature. So you'll see when we put this in right here, you get to screw the power in. Just like that. So on a unit this size, typically it's not going to be rack mounted. It's going to be on your desktop. And if you've ever used any unit like this before, you can be on your desktop. You're trying to put cables in. You've got things set up, and then you hit the power, and the power comes out. So having that, so it screws in, and it's just not going to pull out. That's a great feature. That's pretty cool. So from first impressions, this looks like it's going to be a great little device. I think I paid just over $300 for this. Other units that I currently have cost around $1,000, and it looks like they do the same thing. This may not have as many features, but it's going to be interesting to see how this works. It may be great for that smaller event production stuff, and definitely for doing your live streaming, hopefully. So we'll get into actually testing this at a later date. But this is just the unboxing of the LivePro L1 multi-format video mixer. Thanks a lot for watching.